Today is the most important day in my life. By tomorrow, I could be hailed as the bravest photographer of the human history. Oh, putang ina ako. Dayo. This is some outlast bullshit. These pyramids were built by humans? I find that hard to believe. Ano pa? I need more light to take photo. Okay. Boom. Okay na guys. Alam mo na gagawin. Halo? Ay, puta ka na mo! Oh, this is scary, bro. Ang ina nyo, gogo. Sino ba sabi ng laruin ko to? Oy, thank you sa follow, PH Luthor. You know what? Whatever. Whatever. Picture. Lag. Bakit natatakot? Oy, Ian, welcome. Tungay na kasi. May nagsabi na akin, laruin ko daw itong laro na to, bro. Okay, ina. Picture. Gago, natatakot ako. Digit. Oy, I need that shit, bro. Flashlight. Yes, sir. Uy, ano to? Warning. Danger of net. Tragic event haunt this place. Entry is strictly forbidden. If you enter, your death will be solely your responsibility. Okay. Boo! Gago. This game, bro. Buda packs. Uy, laruin mo yung Amenti. Magandang laro yan. Uy, try mo next game, Amenti. Maganda yan. Maganda yan, boy. Let's. Laki ng ethics. Oy, welcome, C. You know, hear that shit? I'm taking photo of everything, bro. I'm sending this shit to YouTube. Oy! Ang ina mo, bro. Oy, ba't lang daw si ano? Ang gago, ayaw umalis. Pupuntahan ko. Oy, pipicturean kita, ha? Ipopost kita sa YouTube, sa Instagram ko, ha? The fuck is that shipper? Pupuntahan kita sa... Ipopost kita sa Instagram ko, lalagay ko... OY! Ilalagay ko, my new baby. Yes, sir. Baby ko yan. Lalagay ko sa pictured photos ko. Meet my love of my life. Ano? Wow. Radabund! Picture. Ang ino. Kung may babaw ako sa kanya, tapos pinicture ko siya. Yes, sir. Radabund. Picture. Ayun na eh. I-quit ko to, gago. I-quit ko to. Legit. May pag walang napamat. Hello? Hello? Oy! Yawa! Oh, fuck no, bro. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck no, bro. Nawala, gago. Oh, no. Oh, oh. Holy shit, bro. Fucking finally, bro. Uy! Let me see your poopy! Oh, tangina mo, Peach. Poopy! Patingin ng... Okay. Na-picture mo na. Ipopost ko na yan sa Facebook. Nasa si... Uy, laki oh. Putang ina. Dax. Caught in 4K. Oh. My... Fuck this shit, bro. I think I'm not... Oy! Yawa, boy! Ano yun? Why? Why are there? Why are you looking at me, bro? Oh boy. Oh, I hate this kind of shit. Can we just crouch? Tingin nga ng poopy mo. Ah. You know, pwede tayo lumabas. Let's just jump off the fucking ledge. Why not, bro? Let's just do that. Uy! Ang ina mo nag-save. Naman. Uy, picture na yan. Uy! Uy! Parang gusto ko mag-career change. Uy, tangin mo, mata. Pagka ganito, oh no bro, di pa ba red flag yan? Lumabas ka na ng pyramid, please. Oh no bro. Ang ina mo. I wanna quit. Oo nga eh. Di. Ang ina, di pa ba red flag yun? Gago. Kasi puta ka na, if I were him, I would run the fuck out away. Nakiusap ng lumabas ng pyramid eh. O yun, gago, na-unlock na. Oh no, you're fucking teleport. Kanina. Wala nga eh. Wala nga flash yung camera eh. What is this shit? Oy! Ito. Bashing me. Utang ilang yan. Uy, ito. I see this shit, there. What the fuck, bro? Trying to turn away like 180 degrees out of here, bro. Gago, red flag na yun. That's for me, ah. That's for me. Utang ina mo. Maybe, just maybe, I I wanna fucking click on that exit to main menu. I wanna click that shit, bro. Uy, tangina. Tingin na edits. Tangina, ducks. Ducks ang edits, guys. Who even fucking suggested this game, bro? Hello! Okay na mo, boy! Oy! Tangina. Hindi siya kumakain. Isa siyang putot balat lumilipad. Nagbibrief na kaya yung mga pero dati. Di ko alam, bro. Siguro lampin lang. Graveyard shift. I don't know what that shit is. Don't worry. Ha. Yung takin mo! Takin mo. Such a dibdib ka. Shit ka. Okay. Andrew, hayop ka! Sakita mo. Ang dami ako. Nagpapawisan ako, lamig-lamig eh. Ay na. Sino ba nag-suggest ito, bro? Bakit nagsisave? Pipicturean kita. Pipicturean kita, boy. Oy! I guess I gotta fucking lock in, bro. Ang ina mo, saan ako pupunta? Oy! Parang aso eh, no? May rabies. May bandaan. I just missed something. Oh, hell no. Oh, fuck no. Picture. Picture na lang, boy. Ay. Picture. Okay. Okay. Ay, gogo. I can get out. Final girl ang atake. Di, dalawa sila mag-asawa. Asawa sila. Bro. Basta tayo. I had enough of this bullshit. Ano bang naisip ng photographer na pumunta sa Philippine din? Tama na, maintindihan mo siya kung may dala siyang baril eh, no? Pero na. Can't believe I'm actually walking out here this hell alive. I don't think so. Uy! Trap na siya. Gago alien. Picture. Ay, Jo, pagod ka na ba, Jo? Tangina, hindi ako si Jo Marie! Why? Tangina, basic. Is that it? Is that it, bro? I mean, tapos na gago.
According to recent reports, American photographer Ethan Carter, famous for exploring and capturing images in terrifying locations, has illegally entered the ancient tomb of Rudimon beneath the Great Pyramids of Egypt. Unfortunately, Carter has not returned, and all attempts to locate him have failed. This isn't the first disappearance linked to the tomb. Years earlier, renowned historian Henry Caldwell also entered Rudimon's resting place alone and was never seen again. Some places are cursed, and those who enter may never leave.
Yun na yun? Is that it, bro?